Right then, here we are, the final stages of stripping the Worcester down. I've laid it down on its back just so it's easier for you to see. So all we've got left is the main heat exchanger and the sump and the gas valve, which is just held on with one screw there, look. So while we're here, we'll remove the gas valve and then I'll show you how to. We'll pull that out. Sorry, my mistake. There's two screws holding the gas valve on. Okay, so there's the gas valve, two solenoids on the back. They've changed this now on some of the recent Worcesters. These solenoids are now at the front. In fact, the whole gas valve is completely different. But that can go down there with the rest of the components. So, all we've got left now is the beast, the main heat-ex. So, what you'll have on is the condensate hose. So you literally just pull that out. Look, it's on a gasket. So that just pulls off. And this black thing here, if you ever wondered what this is just a clamp that holds the heat exchanger on. There's no hole there, look, or nothing. It's completely blocked off. So that all that is a clamp. And then this is a locking nut which locks this pipe in. You just turn that and you see it unclips from the case there. See the moulding? And then it's a little bit tricky, but you can actually pull this pipe out now. I'll get this one out, hold up. Wedged in there nicely, but with a bit of a pull, it comes out, look, it's on an O-ring. That goes in the scrap bin, down there. So, then what we've got, we'll put these down there and all. The heat exchanger is now free to come out. So, it's just locked in there a little bit. There we go. Now, there's a little bracket at the top here. You need to slide it up and lift it out. Right, so there we have the main heat exchanger on a Worcester, and that's just an empty case of what the poor thing used to be. So yeah, main heat-ex. You see inside there a little bit blocked and stuff in there, quite a bit of gunk. But that's it. So if we put this down here, this is a Worcester 30 SI Green Star combi condensing boiler, stripped down completely with all of its components. And once you've familiarised yourself with all of these components, the next one you take out, if you're like me and you haven't got a life and you spend a Saturday morning doing this crap, you learn how to use the boiler, how to fix the boiler. Thanks for watching. Catch all of this on YouTube, on my channel. I haven't uploaded them yet, but I will do. So yeah, that's it. Cheers.